In Zoom, how do you invert yourself so that your left hand looks to you like your left hand? This is my left hand, but to me it looks like it's my right hand. And this is my right hand. My left hand has got the wedding ring on it, right? So how do we swap those around so that when I'm seeing myself on Zoom, when I put up my left hand, I actually see the hand on the left? So I go into zoom.us and then preferences. And you can see now, let me go to the video, and you can see on the video, here is my left hand and here is my right hand. But to me, they look the opposite, right? So if I say go left, to me, that looks like I'm saying go right, which is really confusing. So what I want to do is click mirror my video. And now, when I click on mirror my video, that means that when I put my left hand up, it's actually on my left. I'm looking at my left now. And when I put my right hand up, it's on my right. So it's actually creating that mirror image. And now to prove that, if I show a book, you can see that that's backwards because it's the mirror image of the book. And I can turn off the mirror image, and there we are. Okay, you can see the book. By the way, this book is The Brain Audit. It's a great book on marketing. Check out my video, a book review of this book, in case you want to learn the basics of marketing. Right, so there we are. Once again, zoom.us, preferences, and then go to video, and then you can click on mirror my video or turn it off again. And you can do that during the Zoom call. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I share a lot of advice on tools and techniques and tactics that you can use so that you can reach your audience in the right way.